Hello friends, so today I'm gonna show you guys a little bit complex video, and it is about uh, an air compressor which is used to fill the vehicle tires with air. So this is the I don't know whether you can see this. This is the box picture of this air compressor. You connect this to the car lighter and you can use this air compressor to fill your tires with air. So the problem what I have is here, uh, in this end which we use to connect to the tire, when I switch on the compressor, the pressure is not building up and therefore the tire is not filling with air. So I take apart this air compressor, and the problem that I find was, you can see in here there's a small piston. So and in this piston there's a rubber washer in here. You can see this black color washer. Sometimes it get little bit loose due to the uh, use, and with time it get little bit loosened. So if I talk about this air compressor, this is 6 years. I have used this for 6 years, and for all these 6 years this have helped me to fill my vehicle tires with air. So this is a very good air compressor, and unfortunately I'm having this problem right now. So what I have to do is, and you can see little bit rubber very thin stripes are loosening here. So what I did was, I just put a little needle around this washer and try to take it out from all the side and make it little bit uh, bigger. That means I uh, adjust the diameter of this washer a little bit. So after that I check whether this piston fits into this cylinder, and fortunately it's works as I hope. So it's not too tight, but it's not loose. Now you can see when I try to fit this cylinder to this piston, it's fits with suitable tightness. So it's not too much loose or too much tightened. So this way the pressure builds inside this cylinder, and air goes through this piston. So to this end of this cylinder, this outer valve end get connected, and there was two screws also. After I fix those screws, I can use this as previous. So this is little bit complex because this is with different mechanical cogwheels kind of things, but this seems a little bit complex. But if you focus and try to understand this is really simple. What you have to do is just adjust this rubber washer diameter just little bit, widen it, and this will works properly as previous. Friends, previously I forget to tell you guys something, and that is, when you fixing everything back together at final stage, what you have to do is, when you fixing the cylinder and uh, the top, that round thing, I mean the one end of the uh, uh, air pump. So you have to uh, fix everything tightly. I mean you have to fix this cylinder also till it's sealed to this bottom, and the top of this cylinder also should be sealed to the top connection. And for that you have to place the everything together, and previously I told you guys there are two screws in this side and the other side. You have to tighten those screws uh, until everything fixed tightly. So it also could be the problem for this uh, air compressor is not building air pressure. uh, for my case the problem was bad washer, but sometimes your case may be if uh, the cylinder is not tightened to the bottom and the top, then the air pressure will uh, get reduced. So for that you have to tighten those bottom two screws really tightly. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video, and let's meet with another good video.